The hot hand bias, this is the irrational view that consecutive winning or losing means your hand is hot or cold. So this is quite similar to what gamblers, how they think, right? They have this gut feeling that they're on a hot hand, that lady luck is on their side. So the thinking goes that because person X may have won several times in a row, they'll win next time as well. This is a built-in dangerous cognitive bias and a misguided view of chance under most conditions. So the so-called winning streak is actually a bit of a fallacy in itself. You end up thinking, oh, after every winning streak, there's a big losing streak. This type of thinking that can be quite dangerous, because if you're, let's say you win 6, 7, even 10 trades in a row, this happens to me a lot where I think, right, I'm on a winning streak. The next trade is bound to be a loser because I'm on a winning streak, and I always end up losing or giving back lots of my profit, right? This has happened to me in the past. And so you end up behaving and acting in a way that actually confirms that belief, because you end up taking subpar trades, or you end up risking less, reducing your risk, thinking that your next few trades are going to be losers. And then you end up winning those trades, but you only done half the risk or quarter of the risk. So you actually ended up making less profit over a long period of time. Is quite bad. It's really bad in terms of your profitability, your consistency, and even your psychological capital. Every time you place trades with half the risk or quarter of the risk and you end up winning them, you get this sense of disappointment. You get this sense of, man, if only I did full risk on this. That could be the start of a very negative domino effect psychologically that could really impact your next few trades. And so then we fall into these domino effects, these cognitive biases, and it all begins with just that one decision that creates that negative domino effect and that vicious cycle. And so we end up digging more and more, digging that hole even deeper. These are all cognitive biases that can affect the traders. I've probably gone through all of these personally throughout my trading career, and there are some that still occur. Even to the best traders, some of these cognitive biases occur over and over again.